So guys, today we're gonna be packing for CAIRNS. Okay, so apparently it's gonna be like 30 degrees each day in CAIRNS, so we're gonna pack some summer clothes. So now I'm gonna prepare my carry bag for the trip there. I got this bag for my head. Morning guys, so it's officially airport day. It's a bit bright, but let's get ready for the airport. Get changed into my airport outfit. Okay, so here's the airport fit. Yes, we are airport ready. I'll see you in CAIRNS.
No, not my face.
Okay, so we've arrived in CAIRNS. I'll see you guys back at the hotel. Let's go. Oh my god. Such a pretty view. I'll see you guys later tonight.
They actually gave us welcome drink, which is so nice of them.
Okay, so guys, we're heading out to dinner now. So pretty here. This place is really pretty. Okay, so we're at dinner right now, and it's called Salt House, and there's like live music. It's kind of loud, but yeah.
Wait, is this watermelon or fish?
Really good. Oh my god. So guys, it is currently 8:22 and I'm gonna head to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning because tomorrow we're waking up bright and early. We're going for a hike. Is that, I guess you could consider that day 2, but mainly full day 1. So yeah. So it's currently 5:59. It's 6 now. So we're going on a hike. And I can't remember. Going on a hike today, and it's gonna go for like 9 hours. Oh, I'm so tired by the end of the day, but yeah. So pretty, oh my god. So for breakfast we're having instant noodles. I got some on jet ski. My outfit for the day because we're going hiking, which is fun. I'll see you guys when we're hiking.
merchandise. Entree. I think this one.
So I finished dinner, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. So we're at breakfast now. Okay, so this is our table. We can try.
I know a video we can do. Is that?
Okay, so right now we're walking out. So now we're just gonna like walk around the city. I don't know why, but yeah. It's actually so nice and aircon in here. It's so hot outside. Lunch. Okay guys, so we actually changed hotel rooms. Here's our new hotel room. But now we're gonna go to get changed and then we're gonna go swimming because today we don't have anything. Okay, so I'm changing my swimwear. So now we are going swimming.
Yeah.
A mocktail. Okay, so guys, we are going to dinner now. Outfit of the night. You know, it's the night market actually, so yeah. Entree.
Yours looks very
Okay, so guys, we finished dinner.
For Mexico.
So we're gonna go back to the night market, see if I can buy anything. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
If it was black, I'd like it.
Okay, so guys, it's 7:30. Head to bed now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're doing some fun stuff. Bye. Morning, guys. So it is 6:40 now, and we're gonna get up because we're going snorkeling today. So yeah. Okay, guys. So now we're walking to the place we're actually going to go on the boat to go to snorkeling. Check. Okay, so guys, now it's like we're checking in. Okay, so now we're just filling out some forms.
Then you could have stayed in the bowl.
Has harsher AFK penalties, sober nurse and stuff.
I don't know what we're gonna do now, but yeah.
That's when everyone's going to start running around a tropical iceberg.
Yeah? It's gonna take around an hour and get to the reef. We're going to a few locations, so it's gonna take a while, but yeah. Right there. snorkeling. Going to our second location to snorkel now. Yeah, we had steak and fish for lunch. So.
You have flotation options available.
Okay, so we're at the second location. So now we're just gonna like head off swimming. Afternoon tea. So I actually showered because we came back. Now we're kind of just like playing games and nothing. We're ordering room service for dinner actually. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Room service. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, so guys, today we're going jet ski. Another cruise. Green Island. So, yeah. Okay, so guys, now we're like going to Green Island. We're waiting for the cruise to arrive.
Isabel, we're gonna see you to the. Last dinner before we head back to Melbourne tomorrow. Where you get this from?
I did.
Guys, we're at the airport. We're gonna head back home for breakfast. Yeah.
Wait, you just said that this done.
Okay, I got my like lunch. It's actually 10:58, but I'm just editing some stuff.